Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into the Hartford for business insurance tasks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the Hartford for business insurance tasks, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.thehartford.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page for login options. Select the option that corresponds to business insurance. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the adjacent field. Ensure that both your username and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your business insurance tasks efficiently. If you encounter any issues, check your username and password for accuracy. You may also want to clear your browser's cache or try a different browser. For additional assistance, contact the Hartford's customer support. This completes our tutorial on logging into the Hartford for business insurance tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.